Hey there, welcome to my bedroom floor. I just got off a flight and I have some packages to open. Talking normally though, I got a bunch of packages while I was away. I actually only have 5 here, but I'll show you guys some other stuff that I got before I got back as well. So I was away for 3 weeks and then I had like some packages in the week that I was back in Sydney between America. But I'm gonna unpackage these. So I know this one is a poster that I actually bought from this artist called Serwah. I already have like a print by her and it's like hanging above my bed and it's kind of slid down right now. My room has like fallen apart because I literally haven't been here and it's just melted off my walls. Let's open up this poster. So it's a print. She was having a sale and I can't remember how much it was. I think it was like $12 prints for A3. So I chose this one. I think it's called like 3D rendering or something like that, but she does obviously like just normal like still versions of it, if that makes sense. But yeah, like I love this work by her, so when I saw that she was having a sale, I bought that real quick while I was in Singapore. Okay, so my sister got excited and she wanted to open this package while I was away, but it's from 100 Squared. They sent me some stuff, so I asked for 2 things, but they actually sent me 4. I only know what's in here because my sister opened it. I chose this pair of pants from a brand that I know and it's called Melix the label, and the owner, she like grew up in Bhutan, so I think this collection is inspired by a lot of like patterns and designs from Bhutan. I believe it's Bhutan. I could be wrong. But yeah, so I chose these beautiful goldfish pants out and like I am obsessed with them. Like they're so stunning. The quality is amazing. Like I think she's such an incredible designer. And definitely like her work needs to be more recognized. And then they sent me these 2 other pieces by Mel, who's the owner of Motel Rocks, and they're these shorts, which I've actually gotten really into shorts lately, so this is perfect. It has like this dragon print on it, so that's that. And then they actually sent me a top that I already have, but my sister can wear it because she actually loves this top. And I love it as well. It's beautiful. It's this green dragon crop top and it has a zipper on the side so you can get it on. And then lastly, from 100 Squared, I got a Low and Slow jacket, and it's like this two-tone, I think it's called a two-tone jacket, and it's super nice. It's like kind of like Carhartt vibes, which I like, and has this super cool logo here as well on the pocket. So basically 100 Squared features a bunch of like upcoming local designers in Australia, which is really cool. So thank you for sending me that. And then next up, I'm doing some work with Puma. I'm guessing this box is from Puma because I need my deadline's like in 2 days. It's just kind of stressful. Need my scissors. So they're the Puma Cali Sports that I'm working with. Imagine if I just open this and it's not actually the Pumas, but I'm pretty sure it is. Got the Puma box. Ta-da! To Tara, we hope you love your Puma Cali Sports sneakers. We can't wait to see how you rock them. Love the team at Puma. So they actually sent me the marshmallow color version of this just while I was away in America, because I was meant to be doing like sponsored work with them. But I was like, I'm away, like I can't meet the deadline. So they're like, oh, we have like just the normal whites if you want to still do work. And I was like, yeah. Because they're actually like a pretty sick pair of shoes. And I think I styled the other ones like really well last time. And they really liked how I did that. So yeah, they're just like all white, have the platform and like the classic like Puma, what's this called? I don't know what it's called, like these 3-line things. So Am Gia got in contact with me and I chose out some pieces. I'm not sure which ones they sent to me. I think I told them a few and I was like, just send me whatever you want. Normally that's what I do if I can't pick. I'm just like, just send me whichever ones you have in stock. I'm excited to open my last little letter. It's from my pen pal, Nicola, and I haven't heard from her in a while, but so I'm excited to see what she has written to me. And also sent me, because she always sends me like the cutest things, and she's like an incredible designer and artist, and you guys should check her out. But I'll talk about her a bit more in a sec after I open this package. Getting ahead of myself. There's so much plastic, but damn, everyone's always sending me massive boxes and I literally just collect all the boxes downstairs, and I think I've used like one of the boxes I have to send something else out. But a beautiful Am Gia box here. Open this sticker up. Come on. Ugh. Okie dokie. Oh, and we have some Am Gia wrapping paper as well. Try and open this on camera. I don't even know if this is in frame. Okay. I was gonna try and salvage that, but that didn't really work. Okay, sweet. So they actually sent me, I think, like everything that I asked for, basically. So we'll start off with this bikini. Ah, cute. So much plastic. I also keep all this plastic packaging. I intend to reuse it for like when I package orders and stuff, but like I never do. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay. So this is the bikini top, and it has like this Serwah Gia logo in the middle. That's so cool. Hopefully that's focusing. I love it. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna just wear it like this. You can see what I'm doing here. Bro, it's actually so cute. I'm an Am Gia bitch now. Oh, this is so sexy. My parents are gonna be like, you're not allowed to wear that. So we have this bikini bottoms. They're very Scandi. Oh my goodness. But they're so hot. That's so cute. Oh my god, what the hell? I'm so excited. I don't have anything like this. Not gonna lie, I feel like Am Gia had like a really bad rep, and I was just like, oh my god, Am Gia is so basic. But like they actually have some cute ass stuff. Like the stuff that I picked out, I love. So we have this little mesh tank top thing. Did I actually pick this out? I don't know. I can't remember. Oh, I did. And what does it say in here? It says Am Gia in silver writing underneath this mesh. Super cute. So this comes with a matching skirt, which I'll show you now. I hate when there's so much packaging, but it's good that like the other stuff I had all was just like piled into a box rather than all this plastic. But okay, we have this super cute skirt. So in my mind I was thinking I was gonna like wear the skirt with the top but have like the bikini under, but this, because this is like kind of see-through, and I thought that would be really cute. But yeah, so like this is the matching skirt. I wish I had this when I was in Singapore. Like this would be so cute. I like wear it to Sentosa, like by the beach. Oh my god, it's such a like 2000s vibe. Okay. And then the last thing we have we got this little tie-dye tank top. Like I love the colors that they've chosen for this collection because it's like all super earthy, and it's not something that I typically like wear, which is why I'm excited. And like they're actually like really cute pieces, and I think I can pull it off pretty well. Yeah, we have this tie-dye tank that says Gia. I was like actually so much more excited about this than I thought I was. I feel like it's different, you know? It's cute, I love it. And then lastly, we have this package from my pen pal. It's like a letter, and she does like the cutest little doodles on there. You can see that I'm trying to cover my address at the same time. Okay, let's open this. I might do this upside down because it's like taped at the top. What do we have? Oh! Ah! Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Wow. Oh my gosh, she sent me like 2 zines, I think. This is so fun. Okay, so I think she sent me 2 zines, and this one she's made with her friend, I believe. I'm gonna have to read this first and suss it out, but basically, so in our pen pal letters, we give each other like templates with like questions. Like, there's no color on it, it's just like borders and like the question written out, and then like you can color it in. And you know, like I drew the outline of this kind of UFO, and then she's like filled it in with like her responses to the question. So for example, this one was, do you have a secret you'd be willing to tell? There's some questions down here as well, and it's kind of like more deeper questions and stuff that like goes beyond the typical you know, like just small talk. Yeah, like I'm so excited to read this. Like she's written so many pages. Like we always write so much to each other. And I love pen pals. Like when I was growing up, I always dreamed of having a pen pal, and I never had one. I was just like, I just want to get stuff in the mail, but like it's so crazy that now I get so much stuff in the mail, and it's like, it's still exciting. Although it may not seem like it, because like a lot of the time I do know what I'm receiving, but you know, when I get like letters like this where I don't know what's going to be inside, I get so excited because It's just like, it's a surprise. People put their time and effort into it, and like I love the way that she like decorates everything. Looking at this zine from like the front and back cover, I'm so excited to read it. But it says, have you ever been with an Asian woman before? So I'm guessing this is all about like being Asian and like being fetishized and stuff like that. And the back is like, what would you want to say to reclaim your narrative? And it says, my story, my language, my food, my culture is not yours to consume, criticize, or validate. And then this one, this is so cool. What the hell? So this top one is Nicola. That's my pen pal. She's so cute. Her Instagram username is not Nicola, Notnicola. And I believe, I'm guessing that's her friend Felicia, according to this paper that was kind of slid over. I'm guessing it's just like a little zine about like them and like their emo phase maybe, because there's like a definition for emo. She sent me these shoelaces. That's super sick. I think like she sent me this shirt that she made for me, which was so kind, like last year for my birthday, and it had like this same shoelace thing as a tie. I think it was green though, from memory. And then also in here we have, oh, she has like those like iron beads that you did as a kid, but she spelled my name out. Oh my god, that's so cute. She's on like a little smiley face. So she's on a love heart there, flower there, smiley face there. That's so cute. I'm gonna hang this on my wall. Thank you so much, Nicola. I love some other stuff that I got like just before I left, but I haven't had time to wear. So first up, I have this pair of Moda shoes, and they are so freaking cool. Oh my god. They're definitely not something I can wear like hella walking. But damn, these are fucking fire. I've had a thing with zebra print apparently, because I also got a pair of pants, which I'll show you in a sec. But I made a fit out of this, which I haven't worn yet, and I'm really excited to wear. And it's just like full zebra print. But yeah, like these are the Moda shoes. They're so cool. And then I also got the zebra flares, and these are like the most flattering pair of pants I own. So they're from Motel Rocks, and they're like high-waisted, they flare out, they make you look super tall. It's cute. Like, it's very like form-fitting, but like flatters you in the right places. And then I also got this incredible coat. So the Ragged Priest sent me some stuff. I have a set and it's over there because I wore it to a festival, but I also got this coat, and this is like the most glorious coat I own. I just hella spat, but oh my lord, like this is the nicest coat I own right now, but it's like summer. But I'm gonna try and find a place to wear it and hope that it's like coldish at one point. But it's this sort of like PU material with the fluff at the sleeves and here. Like I can't, like this is so amazing. It's just, I'm so excited to wear it and just like slay everyone in it. And then I'll show you what else I got from the Ragged Priest. Actually, I'm gonna just show you a photo of it on, because like it's stacked in a pile. Yeah, so it was like this matching set with like the grommet belt sort of on the shoulders and as a belt strap thing. And I wore it to Spilt Milk Festival in Canberra the weekend before I went to Singapore. I had like a hella busy week before I went away, but like it was so nice going to Singapore and like seeing family, and then also seeing my best friend because he came and like stayed at my dad's place with me for a week and a half. And then I was meant to be in Singapore for 2 weeks, and then I extended my trip another week because my dad wanted me to stay longer. So I was like, okay. And then I just changed my flight and I was like, cool. That was my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite piece was that I showed you. And yeah, I gotta clean up my room and unpack my luggage, and I need a nap. Even though I slept the whole flight, it was an overnight flight, I am about to zoink out, like, whew. But yeah, anyways, okay, thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. The classic YouTube ending, but yeah. Bye! See you next video. This is what my room's at right now. Like, I just have so much stuff everywhere. I need help. I need someone to clean my room.